This is the first venture which we are having in a series of luxury and economical budget homes which will be coming up. The first of the products that we have is coming at Narsingi. This is called Accurate Green Meadows. This is a 6.5 acre parcel and we have 8 towers and roughly about 700 apartments. See, the apartment sizes vary from anywhere between 1090 square feet and goes all the way up to 1500 square feet. And we are having formats of 2 and 3 bedroom. And this is ideally located for somebody who works and who has a lot of commute to do towards financial district or to the high-tech city area. And the starting price of this project starts at 3,390 rupees per square feet. And we are running a specific campaign right now called Pehle Possession Fir EMI. So the whole concept of Pehle Possession Fir EMI is where the Accurate Green Meadows absorbs the interest cost for a tenure of 24 months, which is the construction phase. So during the construction phase, we assume a lot of young people who are looking at buying homes can, have a very financially less burden during the construction phase. And this also brings out that puts the onus on us to complete the project in exact time. And our motto has always been on time, every time. And in this category, what we think, people who can spend about the 10-12 lakh rupees as a down payment will be hugely benefited, because what we see is the market is slowly going on an upswing. So the appreciation can come through. We can also look at a good community coming up in this thing. And we think at a large level, the whole community will be very homogeneous, because we are expecting a lot of people from financial district and the surrounding to buy this property. It's a great investment story today because we are located just off ORR at Narsingi. And in Narsingi, we have a huge frontage for the property. So what happens is there is no need to go behind or go through side roads. We are on a fantastic location. The price range is about 3,390 with the offer today. So the Pehle Possession Fir EMI concept comes in where you pay at the rate of 3,390. So the average homes will cost you, at the base price will cost you about 37 lakh rupees onwards and goes up to about 70 lakh rupees.
What are the facilities of this?
See, we have a fabulous clubhouse coming at the project, and we have 2 levels of car parking. The clubhouse is first of its kind, and in this class and in this budget range, we are the largest clubhouse. We have 27,000 square feet. What we have also thought about is we have to fix great convenience for everybody concerned. The children have huge play areas and completely landscape picturesque settings, and we are also having within the clubhouse indoor shuttle courts. We have snooker parlor, we have party hall, we have great facilities for kids and elders as well, and we are on the banks of a river as well, the river Musi. So we are constructing an entire garden area on the river banks, and this will kind of give you that extra space. It will give you that extra recreational zone. And what more, you're surrounded by trees and luxurious ambience as well. And the beauty of the project is, on both sides of our property, we don't expect immediately in the long run any high rises to come. So giving you unhindered views of the surrounding. And in terms of convenience, you're just about 7 minutes away from Wipro Junction. You are about 20 minutes away from the airport. And you are about, say, 10 minutes to the Cyber Towers. And if you look at schools and surroundings in the neighborhood, we have Oak Ridge, which is like under 10 minutes, Glendale, which is under 10 minutes. And the whole community, we are thinking, is once you drive back home during the weekdays, you don't have to go out for any of your daily requirements. There's a grocery store within the property, there is a pharmacy within the property, and a great ambience. At the end of the day, when we return home, people want a great ambience to live in. And this is something which we are building at, and we are committing to deliver this project in 24 months starting from now. We've already started the work. There is a model apartment in place. We welcome everybody to come there, have a look at the property. And once they come there, I'm sure they'll realize it's a great property to buy. And it will definitely be one of the best properties in this price bracket, which will appreciate in the long run.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.